All right, so here it is. Saw this car 2 months ago on the website. Placed an order for it. 5 weeks later, here it is. Ships directly to your door. Yeah, that's obviously for a 34-year-old car. You know, it's not going to be perfect. Yeah, I'm going to have to pull this out. Let's pop the hood real quick. Press these pins. I believe this is a ZC engine. Yeah, this is an EF7, but you know, we're gonna pull it out and drop in a B18, K20. I don't know. Let's see all my options out there. All right, so it's in here. It's in the garage next to the the CRX. You know, I got the other one on the charger as well. I got the 97 Honda Integra showing up in about another 5 weeks. Gonna pull out that motor, the B18C2, and then gonna swap it in this one, pull out the ZC motor, sell that, and then I'll sell the chassis on the Honda Integra. Honda Integra has about 9,000 miles on it in some warehouse, and I didn't really drive it much. Fernando, how's it going again? All right, this is JDM car number 3. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. JDM car number 3 right here, man. After this, we got 6 more to go. Over the next 4 or 5 months. Dang, this car has 9,000 miles on it.
I saw the mileage on it.
Yeah, it's original too. Some company, they just had it parked and they
it's
just.
a nice color too. Don't you? Like I saw when the sun hits it.
Isn't it? It's black, right?
It's like look at it this way.
Metallic black?
It's like an old attic on it.
Or is that the dirt? Yeah, it's a metallic black.
It's a metallic.
Dang. Yeah, some shop had it and they just kind of parked it. They didn't really.
And that was it?
Yeah, and they maybe took it out for here and there, and then they just. Yes, brand new. Look at the wheels. Dang, look at the wheels. Looks like no scratches on the wheels, man.
The visors still have the plastics on them.
The mileage?
The visors have the plastics
Oh,
on them.
yeah. They have plastics in the back. They removed it. Dang. It's practically brand new. 9,000 miles. Hell yeah, B18, there's DC2, it's got the LSD, so we're gonna get it ready to get it